Ever wonder why aloe vera has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries? This humble cactus-like plant, native to North Africa, holds a myriad of health benefits that might just surprise you. Let's delve into the fascinating world of aloe vera, a wonder plant that's been a friend to humankind throughout history. First on the list, aloe vera is a champion hydrator. Packed with nearly 99% water, it's a fantastic way to quench your skin's thirst. Its hydrating properties are not only beneficial for your skin, but also for your internal organs. Secondly, aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients. It comes loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and B12, not to mention it also includes folic acid and choline. This nutrient-rich plant can supplement your diet, ensuring that you receive a balanced intake of essential vitamins. The third benefit, aloe vera has an impressive ability to soothe burns and wounds. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties make it an ideal natural remedy for sunburns, minor cuts, and even more serious burns. Moving on, did you know that aloe vera can aid digestion? Its natural enzymes can help break down sugars and fats, making your digestive system more efficient. Plus, it's been known to help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and acid reflux. Last but not least, aloe vera is a natural immune booster. The plant is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in your body that can lead to chronic diseases. To sum it all up, aloe vera is a hydrating, nutrient-rich plant that can soothe wounds, aid digestion, and boost your immune system. It's a versatile natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries, and for good reason. So the next time you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, remember the humble aloe vera plant. It's not just a pretty face, but a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Now, isn't that a refreshing thought?